Right. Where's the light? This is the place that we're staying at Rosebank. Oh, it's beautiful. I don't know how much it is, but this is a one-bedroomed at the median what? Apartments in Rosebank. Oh, what is that? It's tiny. Oh, you should see that place we stayed at yesterday. So it's one bedroom. Zuri's not here right now. Medium flats. Beautiful.